Today's video is on the top 3 best electronic drum pads. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget, Alesis Strike Multipad. Looking to take your performances to the next level? This piece of gear has everything you need to bring out your creativity. Whether you're playing one-shots, melodies, or loops, you'll love the 9 velocity-sensitive pads. They light up with RGB colors, adding a visual flair to your performance while reacting to how hard or soft you hit them. It's not just about looks, though. These pads are designed to give you expressive control over your music. And with the 4.3-inch display, you can edit your sounds and access all the crucial info quickly. No need to struggle with complex menus. The screen makes everything feel ultra intuitive and keeps your workflow smooth. But that's not all. This tool comes with a built-in looper, making loop-based recording a breeze. You can capture and layer your pad performances effortlessly, or even loop external audio from another device. Whether you're building up a track from scratch or adding textures to an existing project, the looper opens up a world of possibilities for live performances or studio sessions. Speaking of sound, it's loaded with a massive collection of in-demand content. With 32 gigabytes of storage and over 6 gigabytes of preloaded loops, drums, percussion, and melodic instruments, you've got a treasure trove of sounds ready to go right out of the box. No matter what style you're into, whether it's hip-hop, EDM, or something more experimental, you'll find plenty of inspiration here. If you like to tweak and customize, this tool won't let you down. You can load your own samples via USB, giving you full control over your sound. Plus, it comes with 5 built-in effects processors to refine your audio. Whether you're looking to add some reverb, delay, or any other effect, you'll have the tools to shape your music just the way you want. And with the 2 Alesis A-Link rotary knobs, which are fully mappable to dozens of effects and mixing controls, you can get hands-on with your sound, adjusting and fine-tuning in real time. On top of all this, it's not just a performance tool. It's a full-on production powerhouse. With a 2-input, 2-output USB audio and MIDI interface, it integrates seamlessly with your setup, allowing you to record directly into your digital audio workstation or connect external gear. Plus, it comes with a premium software suite, including Ableton Live Lite and MPC Beats, giving you everything you need to create, record, and produce your tracks from start to finish. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this setup has the flexibility and power to grow with you. From performance to production, it's got all the bases covered, making it the perfect addition to any musician or producer's toolkit. Give that subscribe button a thump like you're testing out your new electronic drum pad. Number 2, best overall, Yamaha DTX Multi-Drum Pad. Are you ready to take your drumming to an entirely new level? The Yamaha DTX Multi-12 electronic percussion pad is packed with features that will revolutionize your playing style. With an incredible 1061 drum, percussion, and effects sounds, alongside 216 keyboard sounds, this device is like a magic toolbox for musicians. You can mute or layer sounds to create your unique mix, and with its built-in sequencer and preset loops, the creative possibilities are practically limitless. Let's dive a little deeper into what makes this drum pad so special. Imagine having a wide range of expressive internal sounds at your fingertips. You can play these sounds with sticks, your hands, or even your fingers, giving you the freedom to explore different techniques and styles. Whether you're an acoustic drummer looking to infuse a splash of electronic flair into your music, or a hand percussionist wanting a complete palette of instruments in a compact setup, this pad has got you covered. It's like having an entire percussion section in one self-contained unit. But wait, there's more. You can transform this drum pad into a full-fledged electronic drum set by adding the KP65 kick pad and HH65 hi-hat controller. This means you can enjoy a more traditional drumming experience while still accessing all the innovative features of an electronic setup. With a blend of internal percussion sounds, as well as acoustic and electronic drum kit sounds, you'll be able to mix and match until you find the perfect sound for your playing style. What sets this drum pad apart is its versatility. It features internal percussion sounds alongside both acoustic and electronic drum kit sounds. Plus, you can load up to 64 megabytes of your custom sounds into the onboard non-volatile flash memory. Want to record your patterns? No problem. You can trigger playback right from the pads or combine them with preset patterns. With its 16-part multi-timbral operation and standard MIDI file import, you'll have even more options for creating dynamic patterns and songs. Now let's talk about the included software. It comes with Cubase AI, which lets you create song data right on your computer and transfer it to the pad. But here's the kicker. You can also use this incredible percussion pad to remote control Cubase AI when connected via USB. Just imagine being able to control your music production software right from your drum pad. That's convenience at its best. And for those looking to expand their setup, it has plenty of options to grow with your needs. It features 5 trigger inputs and 2 foot switch inputs, allowing you to add even more layers to your performance. The Yamaha drum pad is truly a game changer for any drummer. Get ready to explore new sounds and elevate your music making experience. Number 1, our pick, Nord Drum Percussion Synthesizer. Get ready to elevate your drumming experience with the amazing 6-channel percussion synthesizer. This compact powerhouse is designed for drummers and electronic music enthusiasts who crave playability and creativity. With its integrated multi-pad kick pad input and MIDI connectivity, you can easily dive into sound design without feeling overwhelmed. Let's talk about the Nord Drum 3P's user-friendly features. It boasts a simplified user interface that makes sound selection a breeze. You'll discover a fantastic new range of individual sound preset libraries tailored specifically for kicks, snares, toms, and even more unique sounds. The advanced sound engine utilizes resonant synthesis, subtractive synthesis, and FM synthesis, giving you an incredible palette of tones to explore. You can truly let your imagination run wild. And if you want to add depth to your music, the Nord Drum includes reverb and delay effects, which can be easily adjusted for each channel. That means you can create rich, layered sounds that add a whole new dimension to your performance. Additionally, the drive, crush, and EQ effects provide even more options for customizing your sound. This ultra-compact synthesizer is lighter than 4.4 pounds, which makes it super portable. It includes a highly responsive multipad and an external kick input, so you can create it on the go. The stereo output and headphone jack make it easy to jam anywhere, whether you're in the studio or at home. The Nord Drum's new Sound Select feature lets you browse through a wide variety of drum sounds, all easily assignable to each pad. Need to replace a tom, cymbal, or kick? No problem. You can quickly choose from Nord's new preset library, which includes 10 categories of fantastic sounds: kicks, snares, toms, percussion, bells, tuned, effects, cymbals, hi-hats, and claps. This factory sound bank serves as a perfect starting point, especially during rehearsal when you need to find the right sound fast. What's even cooler? All the sounds from the Nord Drum are synthesized in real time, allowing you to sculpt and play your sounds with an incredible dynamic response. Whether you prefer using drumsticks or playing from a sequencer, this synthesizer adapts to your style. Since 1983, Nord has built a reputation for creating some of the finest electronic pianos, organs, and synthesizers in the world, and the Nord Drum is no exception. So gear up and get ready to explore endless possibilities with this incredible instrument. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.